Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Pinterest account. If you delete your account, your profile and boards will be permanently removed from Pinterest, and it will not be possible to recover them. When you delete your account, your public profile is immediately deactivated and your account is permanently deleted in 14 days. If you change your mind before the 14 days are up, log in with your email and password and we'll send you a link to reactivate your account. If you have outstanding bills on a business account, you'll need to clear them before deleting your account. You can clear your outstanding balance by removing your payment information. When you remove your payment information, any outstanding balance that has not been settled will be charged to the card that was on file when the spend occurred. When you delete your account, any linked business account associated with that account will also be deleted. If you wish to keep your linked business account, you must unlink your business account before deleting your personal account. So guys, before you continue this video to know the ways, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your Pinterest app on your phone, and then you have to tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner, and then select settings. In settings page, you have to tap account settings, then scroll to the bottom and tap delete account. Tap continue, and in this pop-up you have to select your reason why you're leaving, and here I choose other. Then click send email to receive an email to delete your account. After that, you have to check the email address associated with your Pinterest account to confirm that you want to close your account. And tap the email. And then in this page, if you're sure you want to delete your account, tap yes, delete account here. And finally, your account is already deleted. And here I'm gonna try to open my Pinterest app. Is that my account is not deleted yet or is already deleted? And yeah, my account is already deleted here. So guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!